Guys, this is so good. Come savor with me. Pork adobo fried rice. Looking good. There we go. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Savor with Neil, where it's all about easy recipes plus my fun twist. Happy Saturday. So for tonight's dinner, come savor with me. Pork adobo fried rice. Pork adobo is a staple classic in Filipino household. It's one of the most popular dishes that we have. Everyone that I know that seems to taste it loves it. It's a very simple classic dish. It has a vinegar, black pepper, and also that sweet taste coming from the sugar. It's sour, salty, and sweet, and also savory, all packed in one. Now we're gonna serve that in fried rice style. So it's a very classic dish in the Philippines. You can either have it with chicken or pork. So for today, we're gonna have pork. So I have here pork belly, we have onions, we're gonna have lots of garlic, green onions. So we're not gonna use any sugar because we're gonna use oyster sauce. It's gonna make the sauce thick and it has that light sweetness to it. So we don't need the sugar, okay? So we're not doing black peppercorn. We're using ground black pepper because you don't wanna be eating whole peppercorns with your fried rice. We have here bay leaves, soy sauce, olive oil, we have our vinegar, and we have here some leftover rice, white rice, and we have some, my dad boiled some eggs. He usually does that in the morning, so we're gonna use it to top it off, okay? So let's start preparing, okay? We're gonna use a lot of garlic, guys, all right? Okay, so we're gonna peel some garlic here. So I'm just gonna peel the garlic. All right, can you guys guess what is my fun twist for today's recipe? Pretty much holding on to it right now. I'll show you guys what I'll do with it later. If you guys can guess, let me know. And, oh shoot, oops. All right, it's still peeled, so all good. Honestly, guys, this can take like literally 15 minutes to make. It's a very quick, easy, one-pan dish. All right, so we have here our garlic. Okay, so a little story time while I'm peeling the garlic and preparing. So I checked my YouTube channel and now I'm at 101 subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for all your support and for watching my videos. You know, it's been really great. To be quite honest, I've never really been a person who actually likes to record or video themselves. But I actually do love and enjoy doing it now. So it's actually been really fun. The reason why I chose adobo for today's recipe, and after reaching especially like 101 subscribers on YouTube, is essentially to pay tribute to my mom. So my mom was such a great cook. She has passed away a few years ago from cancer. And to me, she has always been like the cook of our household. She made like amazing dishes and she always is very detailed and very particular with high quality ingredients. And she knows how something tastes really well. And I think that for me, that's always been an inspiration to me. And especially having to reach 101 subscribers on YouTube, I want to pay a tribute to my mom with regards to all that she's done for us, but also for like inspiring me to be doing what I am doing now in the kitchen, and for her amazing recipes and for her amazing taste and just sharing it with all of us. So I know she's watching, and yeah, so this is this is for her. So I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for like watching my videos, and it's been fun. I'm enjoying it. I wouldn't do it if I don't enjoy it. And yeah, it's been really great. And sharing it, growing up with an amazing mom who has an amazing taste, who cooks really well. Like I was spoiled. Like all three of us, I have two brothers, all three of us were spoiled. So now it's my turn to share like my recipes. So, and I'm having an amazing time. So yeah, thank you guys for allowing me to actually do that with you guys. So yeah, and I chose adobo because, she did make an amazing adobo. And, it's our Filipino roots as well. So yeah, I think just meant more special to me. So that's why we're doing our adobo fried rice today, okay? So I live with my dad, and my dad has actually been actually cooking up a lot now too. And he's been actually pretty good actually. Not the same, but you know, he has his own like way of cooking, and he has his recipes, and he has his specialty dishes. So, and I think that's what's great about cooking is that anyone can do it and anyone can be really great at it. You know, we all have our different perspectives, and we all can add our own twist to it. So for me, it's important to be easy and to, you know, add your own twist to it, right? So that's why as well, I say at the very end, you know, keep savoring you, is because, you know, have fun with anything you do and just, you know, be yourself and just keep being you, because, you know, you're special, you have a lot to offer, and do it while you're having fun, right? And then I think that's, for me, it's like, that's what life is all about, right? So, all right. So we peeled off our garlic. Now we're gonna mince it. Okay, we'll process it. Okay, all minced. Okay, so our fun twist, guys, if you haven't guessed, is we're gonna fry a lot of garlic. That's gonna be our fun twist, but I'll show you guys what to do, what we're doing with it later, okay? All right, let's get our pan. Okay, and put some olive oil. Okay, in the meantime, while that's heating up, so we'll do medium high. Let's do our onion. How about you guys? What is your inspiration? Why do you cook? Or if you're a content creator, why do you do it? And what's your inspiration? I'd love to hear. I'm just taking out the green, green part of it. Guys, oh man, it's really hitting. This is pretty strong. It's definitely hitting. My eyes are like watering. Okay, that's done. Oh man, look at this. So bad. It's like really strong today. Okay, I'm just gonna put in my garlic here. That's a lot of garlic, guys. All right, so we'll wash our green onions, okay? Cut off our ends. Oh man, it's still like the onion. Oh. Okay, now just gonna grab our pork belly, okay? Grab our knife. Okay guys, we're just removing the skin, okay? Actually, I think it's easier if we just remove it like, oh, okay, never mind. It's removing all of it, so we're just removing the skin, guys, okay? Oh guys, I wish you guys can smell this. It's like, it smells so good in here right now. Okay guys, so I'm just removing the skin part, okay? This is the skin part. Okay guys, let's look at the garlic first. Garlic's looking good, almost golden brown. The garlic really absorbs a lot of the oil, okay? So that's why we use a bit of oil for it. Wow, I wish you guys can smell this. This is so much garlic aroma, so good. All right, so what we'll do is we'll take most of it out. So leave it like that. Actually, take it off the heat so that it doesn't burn, okay? And then we're just gonna finish the last pork belly, okay? Let's remove that skin. All right. So I use my knife first just to cut it, and then I just pull it off once I kind of had it cut, okay? All right, then we're just gonna cut them into tiny slices to like bite sizes, okay? I don't have a sharp knife, that's why I'm like, it's hard to like, you know, cut through like this pork belly. Definitely need to get like our knives sharpened. Okay, let's put this back in the heat, okay? We're gonna put the pork here, okay? Let's mix it around. Then we put our onions. Okay guys, we're gonna put in our bay leaves, okay? Put in our soy sauce, okay? Vinegar, black pepper, and our oyster sauce. and just a tiny bit of water as well, okay? Let's get those brown like bits off the pan. That's gonna give it a lot of our adobo flavor. And let's turn it off to the max right now. Okay guys, the pork is pretty much cooked and you have the sauce now just waiting to be essentially, and we're just gonna wait for the sauce to thicken, okay? Let's get all the flavors in. Oh guys, the garlic. And then you can do a taste test right now just to see if it needs anything more, okay? All right guys, let's try it. Okay, is there a sauce? Okay, it's a bit salty, so let's add a bit of water. But everything else is good. It has that nice pepper taste to it. The sourness is there. Also, just a bit salty, right? Just put that, there we go. All right, we're just waiting for the sauce to thicken and then we're gonna add our fried rice. All right, guys. Oh, there we go. Okay, guys, it's pretty much creamy now, as you can see. So let's lower the heat. See, guys, it's very thick. That's what you want, okay? Now we're gonna put in our fried rice, okay? Sorry, I meant we're gonna put in our rice. Just gonna use my hand, okay? This is our cold rice, okay? I'm just gonna put it all the way there. There we go. All right, guys. Now, gonna mix it up. Not with our hands, guys, but with this, all right? Okay, here we go. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I'm just breaking up the big chunks of rice, okay, guys? Okay, I'm putting it back to high heat. Look at that, guys. The pork, the sauce, the garlic, the rice, they're all in one pot. They're all infused together. It's gonna be a very tasty fried rice. All right, guys, it's pretty much done. Put our green onions on there. And our fun twist is we're adding more fried garlic to our fried rice, okay? So let's just try to break that up a bit. And then we're just gonna put some on top, okay? All right, there we go. Look at that. All right, guys. Come savor with me, pork adobo fried rice. All right, guys, I'm gonna grab some. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Okay, guys. So we're gonna add a bit more of green onions on it, top. Okay, all right. And then a bit more fried garlic, okay. All right, if you have cooked eggs or a fried egg, you can definitely use that. I'm gonna cut our egg. All right, guys, come savor with me, pork adobo fried rice. All right, guys, the moment of truth. Actually, one more thing. So guys, the extra fried garlic topping on the top is my fun twist. You should try it. It gives it extra garlicky fried flavor, which really elevates the whole fried rice. So highly recommend it, okay? Now, if you have some chili crisp oil, just go for it, right? You know me, I love my spicy chili. So just gonna add it on top. All right, like this. Okay, look at that. Oh. All right, guys, there we go. Look at that. Come savor with me, pork adobo fried rice. All right, guys, the moment of truth. All right, let's try it out. And grab some of our pork, our fried rice, and grab a bit of chili crisp with the egg. All right, guys, cheers. Wow. Guys, this is so good. Oh man. You got the pork with the pork adobo pretty much and the fried rice. It's sweet, it's sour, it's salty, and you have the garlic flavor with the sweetness from the oyster sauce and the onions, and you have the egg and the green onion. Everything is just all in one classic goodness. This is so wild, guys. Wow. That is so good. Oh man. The extra fried garlic on top really adds an elevated flavor to the whole dish. It's making you want to eat more. So I would say this is comfort Filipino food at its best. This is really good. I want to say thank you guys for joining me today. Okay guys, one more bite. Wow. Thank you guys for joining me today and also for watching my videos. I really do love sharing my recipes with you guys, and having 100 subscribers on YouTube. It's not about the numbers for me. It's knowing that people are there watching me and also appreciating what I have to offer. That's really amazing, and I really do appreciate that so much. And I definitely want to say thank you to my mom. I know she's watching me, and I know she's proud of me and all the dishes that we create and what we do. So yeah, but thank you guys so much. And yeah, this one is for you, Ma. And thank you guys for watching me today, and I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Hope you guys try it out, and just remember guys, keep savoring you. See you guys.